Welcome, in front of me is a HUAWEI MatePad T10s, and today I will show you how to enable the Do Not Disturb mode along with setting it up. So to get started, let's pull down our notification panel, and in here you should see the Do Not Disturb mode toggle right over here, this moon icon. And before you actually toggle it on, which you totally can, you can hold it. This will quickly take us to the settings of this toggle, where you can change a couple different things. So number one, interruption or allow interruptions. So calls, you can allow calls from everyone, contacts, favorites, or no one. Messages has the same options. Now here I'm gonna check for no one, because we also have the toggle right here, repeated callers. So if someone tries to contact you twice within a 15-minute period, the second time around they will get through, no matter what the setting here is. And this is a option, I would say, strictly designed for like emergencies, where people spam call you, or well, some really persistent salesmen, I guess. So you can enable this if you want it. And outside of that, we have the schedule for the Not Disturb mode, which you can either use the one that comes pre-set up. As you can see, it's Saturday and Sunday from 10 p.m. till 7 a.m. so just a night one. But you can tap on add, select days of the week that you want it to work in, start and end time, tap on the check mark, and it automatically becomes enabled, or well, the turn on. So once on here, it's not really 7:53 right now, so once it reaches 10 p.m. it will turn on automatically and last till 7 a.m. so you don't really have to do anything. And like I said, once you set it up, you can simply tap on the toggle also from here if you wanted to enable it at any moment outside of the schedule. And also once you're done with it, you can turn it on again by tapping on it once more. And that is how you set it up. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.